Here are 50 answers to the questions that you will find many times in written exams for a position of accountant. Question number 1. The revenues and expenses of a company are displayed in which statement? A. Balance sheet. B. Cash flow statement. C. Income statement. D. None of the above. The true answer is C. Income statement. Question number 2. The main purpose of financial accounting is? A. To provide financial information to shareholders. B. To maintain balance sheet. C. To minimize taxes. D. To keep track of liabilities. The true answer is A. To provide financial information to shareholders. Question number 3. The expanded accounting equation is used by which statement? A. Cash flow statement. B. Balance sheet. C. Income statement. D. None of the above. The true answer is B. Balance sheet. Question number 4. What type of balance do asset accounts have? A. Contra. B. Credit. C. Debit. D. All of the above. The true answer is C. Debit. Question number 5. The kind of debts which are needed to be repaid in a short term is known as A. Fixed liabilities. B. Current liabilities. C. Depreciating assets. D. Intangible assets. The true answer is B. Current liabilities. Question number 6. The account which increases equity is known as A. Debit account. B. Credit account. C. Revenue. D. Treasury stock. The true answer is C. Revenue. Question number 7. What are the long-term assets which do not have any physical existence? A. Intangible assets. B. Tangible assets. C. Current liabilities. D. Current assets. The true answer is A. Intangible assets. Question number 8. What is the supporting evidence in a business transaction called? A. Journal. B. Ledger. C. Voucher. D. Contra voucher. The true answer is C. Voucher. Question number 9. The expenses, profit and loss of an organization are recorded in which account? A. Current account. B. Personal account. C. Nominal account. D. None of the above. The true answer is C. Nominal account. Question number 10. Which person owes an amount to a business organization for buying goods and services on a credit basis? A. Creditors. B. Debtors. C. Owner. D. None of the above. The true answer is B. Debtors. Question number 11. When are balance sheets prepared? A. Quarterly. B. Yearly. C. Monthly. D. None of the above. The true answer is B. Yearly. Question number 12. What is activity ratio? A. Financial ratios that measure a firm's ability to convert different accounts into a balance sheet. B. Ratios that measure a company's ability to pay debt obligations and its margin of safety. C. Financial measurements that assess the ability of a company to meet its financial obligations. D. The ratio that evaluates the company's ability to generate income as compared to its expenses. The true answer is A. Financial ratios that measure a firm's ability to convert different accounts into a balance sheet. What is current liability? A. Assets of a company that are expected to be sold or used as a result of standard business operations over the next year. B. A potential liability that may occur in the future. C. Companies' short-term financial obligations that are due within 1 year or within a normal operating cycle. D. Obligations listed on the balance sheet not due for more than a year. The true answer is C. Companies' short-term financial obligations that are due within 1 year or within a normal operating cycle. Question number 14. What is an operating cycle? A. A metric that expresses the time, measured in days, it takes for a company to convert its investments in inventory and other resources into cash flows from sales. B. The time it takes a company to buy goods, sell them and receive cash from the sale of said goods. C. The process of hiring personnel to conduct the daily operations of the business. D. Collective process of identifying, analyzing, and recording the accounting events of a company. The true answer is B. The time it takes a company to buy goods, sell them and receive cash from the sale of said goods. Question number 15. What are outstanding expenses? A. Expenses which are not paid off in the current balance sheet. B. The necessary purchases that keep a business going from day to day. C. Type of expense that is due but has not been paid. D. None of the above. The true answer is C. Type of expense that is due but has not been paid. Question number 16. What is bank overdraft? A. A document used by a company's accounts payable department containing the supporting documents for an invoice. B. A negotiable instrument where payment is guaranteed by the issuing bank. C. A negotiable instrument similar to a bill of exchange. D. A line of credit that covers your transactions if your bank account balance drops below zero. The true answer is D. A line of credit that covers your transactions if your bank account balance drops below zero. Question number 17. Which ratio protects the creditors? A. Lower debt-equity ratio. B. Liquidity assets. C. Higher inventory ratio. D. Return on investment ratio. The true answer is A. Lower debt-equity ratio. Question number 18. Return on investment equals? A. Net sales times 100. B. Fixed assets times 100. C. Total assets times 100. D. None of the above. The true answer is C. Total assets times 100. Question number 19. What does improper utilization of resources and overinvestment in assets indicate? A. Low return on investment. B. Low sales. C. High sales. D. Depreciation of assets. The true answer is A. Low return on investment. Question number 20. Which budget is prepared for advertising, salary, and market analysis? A. Operating budget. B. Sales expenditure budget. C. Static budget. D. Labor budget. The true answer is B. Sales expenditure budget. Question number 21. What does a master budget include? A. Material budget. B. Production budget. C. Sales budget. D. All of the above. The true answer is D. All of the above. Question number 22. Transaction is referred as which event in accounting? A. Political event. B. Economic event. C. Dividend. D. Cash transaction. The true answer is B. Economic event. Question number 23. Recording financial transaction is part of? A. Accounting. B. Bookkeeping. C. Data entry. D. Journal. The true answer is B. Bookkeeping. Question number 24. Examining of financial information refers to? A. Analysis. B. Auditing. C. Recording. D. Balance sheet. The true answer is B. Auditing. Question number 25. Who is an external user of financial statements? A. Shareholders. B. CEO. C. Manager. D. Creditor. The true answer is D. Creditor. Question number 26. Identifying an economic transaction is which phase of accounting cycle? A. First. B. Second. C. Third. D. Last. The true answer is A. First. Question number 27. What is a company? A. Legal entity organized and operated for a collective, public, or social benefit, in contrast with an entity that operates as a business aiming to generate a profit for its owners. B. Business organization which is owned and carried on jointly by the members of the Hindu undivided family. C. Unincorporated business with only one owner who pays personal income tax on profits earned. D. A legal entity formed by a group of individuals to engage in and operate a business. The true answer is D. A legal entity formed by a group of individuals to engage in and operate a business. Question number 28. What are liabilities? A. Resources of a company. B. Expenses of a company. C. Obligations of a company. D. None of the above. The true answer is C. Obligations of a company. Question number 29. What is an income? A. A resource with economic value that an individual, corporation, or country owns or controls with the expectation that it will provide a future benefit. B. Obligation between one party and another not yet completed or paid for. C. Earning from investments and other sources unrelated to employment. D. The revenue a business earns from selling its goods and services. The true answer is D. The revenue a business earns from selling its goods and services. Question number 30. An asset possessed by the business should be shown in which part of balance sheet? A. Liabilities. B. Assets. C. Revenues. D. Fixed assets. The true answer is B. Assets. Question number 31. What is the common characteristic of all the assets owned by a company? A. Intangible. B. Long life. C. Future economic benefits. D. None of the above. The true answer is C. Future economic benefit. Question number 32. Capital plus liabilities equals? A. Revenue. B. Assets. C. Unearned income. D. Voucher. The true answer is B. Assets. Question number 33. Owner's claim on total assets is? A. Liability. B. Assets. C. Equity. D. Cash. Answer is C. Equity. Question number 34. What are drawings? A. Accounting method used to allocate the cost of a tangible or physical asset over its useful life or life expectancy. B. The amount of cash that a business disburses. C. An increase in the value of an asset over time. D. Money that is taken from the business account for personal use. The true answer is D. Money that is taken from the business account for personal use. Question number 35. What occurs when expenses are greater than income? A. Net loss. B. Net profit. C. Debts. D. Decrease in assets. The true answer is A. Net loss. Question number 36. What is a nominal account? A. An interest-bearing deposit account held at a bank or other financial institution. B. The account that represents a country's imports and exports of goods and services. C. The account in which accounting transactions are stored for one fiscal year. D. None of the above. The true answer is C. The account in which accounting transactions are stored for one fiscal year. Question number 37. What is real account? A. An interest-bearing deposit account held at a bank or other financial institution. B. The account that represents a country's imports and exports of goods and services. C. The account in which accounting transactions are stored for one fiscal year. D. An account that retains and rolls forward its ending balance at the end of the year. The true answer is D. An account that retains and rolls forward its ending balance at the end of the year. Question number 38. When does the capital of a company increases? A. Drawings decrease. B. Liabilities decrease. C. Revenue increases. D. Interest on capital increases. Answer is C. Revenue increases. Question number 39. Revenue minus expenses equals A. Net income. B. Net loss. C. Depreciation. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Net income. Question number 40. What causes the decrease in assets? A. Cash purchases. B. Liabilities. C. Payment of expenses. D. Retained earnings. Answer is C. Payment of expenses. Question number 41. Assets minus liabilities equals A. Income. B. Gains. C. Earnings. D. Capital. Answer D. Capital. Question number 42. What increases the assets and equity? A. Fresh capital. B. Debts paid off. C. Revenue. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Fresh capital. Question number 43. What is the book of original entries? A. Voucher book. B. General journal. C. Day book. D. Account statement. Answer is B. General journal. Question number 44. How many accounts are affected by a business transaction? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. Several. Answer is B. 2. Question number 45. Daybook is also known as A. Journal. B. Voucher. C. Ledger. D. Bookkeeping. Answer is A. Journal. Question number 46. What is a compound entry? A. An entry involving more than 2 accounts. B. Accounting entry in which just one account is debited and one is credited. C. An accounting entry in which there is more than one debit, more than one credit, or more than one of both debits and credits. D. Entry that is used to record a business transaction in the accounting records of a business. Answer is C. An accounting entry in which there is more than one debit, more than one credit, or more than one of both debits and credits. Question number 47. Purchases are debited when? A. Goods are purchased on cash. B. Goods are sold at a discount. C. Goods are purchased on credit. D. Goods are lost. Answer is C. Goods are purchased on credit. Question number 48. When are drawing debited? A. Cash withdrawn for personal use. B. Cash withdrawn for payment of goods. C. Cash withdrawn for salary. D. Octroi. Answer A. Cash withdrawn for personal use. Question number 49. In what order data is entered into journal? A. Chronological order. B. Numeric order. C. Alphabetically. D. Bullets. Answer A. Chronological order. Question number 50. Cash account is credited when? A. Debts paid off. B. Building bought in cash. C. Asset sold for cash. D. None of the above. Answer B. Building bought in cash. If you want to benefit from our research, subscribe once. Visit our channel every day. Share, like and comment as your contribution.